For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a construction business can be complex, but leveraging AI tools can simplify many steps and increase your chances of success. This guide walks you through a step-by-step process to start your construction business efficiently, with suggestions for AI tools and example ChatGPT prompts to help along the way. Step 1. Conduct market research and feasibility analysis. Understanding your target market, competitors, and demand is crucial before launching a construction business. Use AI-powered market research tools like Crayon, SimilarWeb, or GrowthBar to gather competitor analysis, market trends, and customer insights. ChatGPT prompt. Help me analyze the construction market in city/state, including key competitors, market size, and potential demand for residential and commercial construction services. Use AI to assess feasibility by estimating costs, timelines, and ROI based on available data. Step 2. Define your niche and services. The construction industry has many niches, from residential and commercial to specialty areas like green building or renovation. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm and evaluate profitable niches based on market data. ChatGPT prompt. Suggest profitable construction business niches in your location, considering current market trends and demand. Define your core services clearly to target the right clients. Step 3. Create a detailed business plan. A business plan guides your startup process and is essential for investors or loans. Use AI business plan generators like LivePlan or Loop to draft a comprehensive business plan. ChatGPT prompt. Create a detailed business plan outline for a startup construction company focusing on your niche. Include sections on market analysis, marketing strategy, operations, and financial projections. Tailor the plan using AI insights on industry benchmarks and financial models. Step 4. Register your business and obtain licenses. Legal compliance is critical in construction, including business registration, licenses, and insurance. Use AI chat assistants or platforms like LegalZoom to guide you through registration and licensing requirements. ChatGPT prompt. What are the business registration, licensing, and insurance requirements for starting a construction company in your state? Step 5. Develop a marketing strategy. Effective marketing brings in clients and builds your brand. Use AI marketing tools like HubSpot, Canva AI, or Jasper AI to create content, manage campaigns, and design promotional materials. ChatGPT prompt. Help me create a marketing plan for a construction business targeting residential customers in your location. Include online and offline marketing channels. AI tools can optimize social media ads, SEO, and email campaigns to increase visibility. Step 6. Set up project management and estimation tools. Construction projects require precise management of budgets, timelines, and resources. Adopt AI-driven construction management software, such as Procore, Buildertrend, or PlanGrid that use AI to optimize scheduling and resource allocation. Use AI cost estimation tools like Stack or Cleopatra Enterprise to generate accurate bids and budgets. ChatGPT prompt. What are the best AI-powered tools for managing construction projects and estimating costs for small to medium-sized projects? Step 7. Build your team. Hire qualified staff or subcontractors to execute your projects. Use AI recruiting platforms like HireVue or Pymetrics to screen candidates based on skills and cultural fit. ChatGPT prompt. Suggest a hiring plan for a startup construction company, including key roles and qualifications required. Step 8. Procure materials and equipment. Efficient procurement affects project costs and timelines. Use AI supply chain tools like TradeGecko or Fictive to find the best suppliers, forecast material needs, and manage inventory. ChatGPT prompt. How can I set up an efficient procurement process for construction materials using AI tools? Step 9. Manage finances and accounting. Tracking expenses, revenues, and taxes is vital. Use AI-powered accounting software such as QuickBooks with AI features or Xero to automate bookkeeping and financial reporting. ChatGPT prompt. Help me set up a simple accounting system for a construction startup and recommend AI tools to automate financial management. Step 10. Deliver projects and ensure quality. Maintaining quality standards builds reputation and client trust. Use AI-powered quality control tools like OpenSpace or SmartVid.io, which analyze site photos and videos for compliance and safety risks. ChatGPT prompt. What AI tools can help monitor construction site quality and safety in real time? Step 11. Collect client feedback and improve. Continuous improvement based on client feedback is key to long-term success. Use AI survey platforms like SurveyMonkey Genius or Qualtrics to gather and analyze customer feedback. ChatGPT prompt. Create a client satisfaction survey for a construction company to identify areas for improvement. Step 12. Scale your business. Once established, use AI insights to identify growth opportunities such as new markets or service expansion. Use predictive analytics platforms like Tableau or Power BI enhanced with AI to analyze performance data and forecast trends. ChatGPT prompt. Help me develop a growth strategy for my construction business using AI data analysis. Summary of useful AI tools. Market research, Crayon, SimilarWeb, GrowthBar. Business planning, LivePlan, InLoop, ChatGPT. Legal and registration, LegalZoom, ChatGPT. Marketing, HubSpot, Jasper AI, Canva AI. Project management, Procore, BuilderTrend, PlanGrid. Estimation, Stack, Cleopatra Enterprise. Recruiting, HireVue, Pymetrics. Procurement, TradeGecko, Fictive. Accounting, QuickBooks, Xero. Quality control, OpenSpace, SmartVid.io. Customer feedback, SurveyMonkey Genius, Qualtrics. Data analytics, Tableau, Power BI. By systematically applying these steps and AI tools, you can launch and grow a successful construction business with greater efficiency and insight than traditional methods allow. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.